It's hard to believe that a Raspberry Pi can run an AI model. Well, spoiler alert, it works. Today, I'm going to show you how to run a local model on your Raspberry Pi and download this web application so you can use it to start your own projects. Our first step is to grab the project files into our home directory using the git clone command. This will automatically create the project directory for us. Once that's finished, we can enter the AI sentiment directory and start preparing the environment. From here, we'll quickly check our three prerequisites: Python 3, pip 3 and Flask. On a Raspberry Pi OS, these should already be installed by default, which keeps the setup nice and simple. Next, we'll install Ollama, the AI engine that will actually run our local models on the Pi. After that, we create a virtual environment to keep everything for this project self-contained and tidy, then activate it, ready for use. We can then install the latest Flask and Request libraries. Flask is what powers and hosts our web page, while Request allows the application to communicate directly with Ollama and send prompts to the AI model. Now we're ready to download our AI model itself, Llama 3.2. It's a surprisingly capable lightweight model and works really well on my 4GB Pi 5, as it only needs a small amount of memory. The command will both install and launch the model, which means we can immediately test it and make sure that we're already getting a response back from the AI. And honestly, seeing a Raspberry Pi running its own AI locally is pretty impressive in itself. With that confirmed, we can exit the model and launch our application. When the app starts, it will provide two URLs we can use. Either will work locally. We have to be realistic about performance. You can expect response times between 5 and 15 seconds. And this is just a 4GB version. With the 8GB version, you could try larger models and expect better responses. If you're interested in AI on the Pi, you might want to subscribe, because next I'll be showing you how to develop an app on the Raspberry Pi itself using a free AI tool. Thanks for watching.